Hello, if you wonder if you can use the 3.5mm headphones on your Xiaomi Poco X7, let me quickly explain. This phone doesn't have itself the jack port, the headphones port, as you can see, but you can use, if you have the 3.5mm headphones, you can use the adapter from the Type-C. As you can see, here's the adapter. I mean, it's not the adapter I need right now because this is the Type-C adapter, as you can see, and on the other side you will have the jack port. And as you have this adapter, you simply plug it into your phone, and then you can plug your headphones to the adapter. I don't unfortunately have adapter like this, so I cannot show you, but it will basically just look like this, and this is the only way you can use your 3.5mm headphones with the jack port. So basically, that's a quick answer for you. Thank you for watching.